to 1601 Jamaica Drive in Key West. I'm going to take a few snippets of video. So you can see we have a big open living room with views to the canal on two sides. So there's an office slash bedroom that you can step down and go around to the pool, which I'll film that separately. And then over here we have a second bedroom. This overlooks the canal. And in the rear is the kitchen. Again, this is a great spot here to sit out, canal side. Secret door over there. And here's your kitchen. And what's nice about this is it does overlook the canal on one side and the front entrance. You can see who's coming in the gate there. Part one. Part two of 1601 Jamaica. So here we have a hallway to the third bedroom, and there's a doorway there that leads to what was the master bedroom overlooking the pool. So here's a good sized bedroom. And this is first bathroom of 3. And again, I'm going to go outside here, show you the pool and the canal. Beautiful. It's like 70 by 125. Take a look at that. You've got a lighthouse that lights up at night. It's kind of fun. But you are on the T of the canal, on Riviera Canal. And then you have this beautiful 20 by 20 concrete pool, which has a nice privacy wall. And nice stairs so you can sit there and ease your way into the water. Behind this blue screen is actually what was the master bedroom and bathroom, and that has a separate entrance, which you can open up to the main house. And then there's a nice walkway, beautiful plants and landscaping, palm trees, frangipani. And I'm just going to pan over here so you can see the corner a little bit better. And I'll take you around the side. So it's nice brick walkway in AstroTurf, easy maintenance. And here's the side of the house. Again, 125 feet of seawall. What a pretty view. Part 3. This is a covered terrace, a very comfortable space right off the living room. And I just wanted to share the length of this property. It sprawls. So in here there's another bedroom and bathroom and a sitting area. And then lastly there is a I guess you could call it a workshop. Probably was a carport garage at one time. And this leads out here to the front, which is located on the end of a cul-de-sac, which is quite nice. That takes you to the front entrance. And behind here you have a little bit more storage. And back out to the canal. Returning back to the house so you can get a view from all angles. And this brings you right back in by the kitchen and living room. So many options on what you can do with this property. Total of 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. You just need to make it your own. And here's the front entrance. It's a beautiful courtyard. It does wrap around the back. You have areca's. All sorts of pretty plants, bottle brush, succulents. And this slate is really pretty and comfortable to walk on if you're barefooted. So you've got a planter along the side, storage shed here, and this is big frangipani. It's a pleasant place to have an outdoor lunch, dine al fresco, and again, just bringing you back around the pool.